My chauffeur. She's a good learner. Good job, Delilah. What do you... I know it's cold, eh? All right, go fill it up. Use your best judgment how you think you could fill it up. I know, it's cold, right? It's a lot colder than the other side, isn't it? Ah, it's not that bad. It's nice. Okay, we're going to have to get out a little bit deeper than that if we want to fill that up. Come on. Oh, dude, you pushed on it a little too much, Delilah. It's okay. Everything's fixable. Cold on your feet or what?
I don't like it.
We'll go down where it's hot, warmer on your feet after. Look at Dad. Dad's here. But Dad's used to the polar bear dip stuff, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful spot though, eh, Delilah? Be careful. There. Now all this water's warm. Ah, it's warmer. So, it's pretty good. We got out to this little rock bed. Eh? Pretty cool, eh?
No.
I bet you we can get out over there. Dad's gonna try. Okay? Just flowing pretty good. Ah, nice. Got there. A little cold. Got about up to there for wetness and length. Or height. There we go. So we made it out to the rock bed. Little island, I guess we'd call it. Hey, Delilah! Hey, Delilah!